Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are fine. So let's get started. So now we will talk about cctlds and gtlds. So now what really cctld means is country code top level domain, that this domain that are used by countries and ending with the respective country code, whereas gtld means generic top level domain. On the other hand, it's a domain type that is not country specific but paired with different classes of organization. Example of such domains are .com, .net, .org and .biz. For example, .com stands for commercial purpose. So I hope you understand this thing, what really ccTLD and gTLD mean. So you are seeing here the picture which shows the maps.google.com. So here there are three types of domains. The top level domain, which is we are saying gtld, okay, it's a .com here in red color. Then it's a second level domain, that is Google here, and then the third level domain is the last one, which is maps. So this is the way it's defined, okay. So ccld basically means it's a country code specific, like .us for United States, .ly for Libya, .un for United Nations. I hope you understand this thing. So this is all about naming and addressing. So I will meet you in next lecture. Bye. Thank you.